In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, select while using the app or only this time. Then choose Allow in the pop-up and Allow in the other one. When you're ready, close iOS Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Now click on Choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. Lastly, tap on iOS Launcher and click on Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!